My name is Shea and I'm a fabricator here at Wagstaff. Fabrication is fitting the part, and welding is welding the part that needs to be welded together, essentially making it a complete piece. Welding is the fusion of two metals using a controlled short circuit. And it plays a huge part here at Wagstaff. Most of what we do is MIG welding, small amounts of TIG welding, tungsten inert gas.
Wagstaff is a manufacturer and designer of aluminum casting equipment. We also build equipment for the nuclear industry. A qualified welder is someone who is going to have knowledge and skills and a personal desire to learn and grow and become better at what he's doing.
You've got to be a hard worker. You got to come to work every day, give it your all. You will make mistakes eventually. You just have to let it roll off your back.
There's a tremendous future in fabricating at this point. The job market is very healthy. In addition to that, the number of welders and fabricators that are available for the jobs is actually very low. So for those who are interested, there are tremendous opportunities for learning, for growth, and for pursuing different careers within the welding field.
A lot of us are learning. We're learning every day.
Brought to you by Wagstaff.